Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll teach you how to buy CapCut Pro on iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. To buy the CapCut Pro version, open the CapCut app on your iPhone or iPad. On the home screen, tap the Me button at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Standard. Here you'll see the yearly and monthly subscription fees. At the top, you'll also see two options, Standard and Pro. Tap on Compare Plan to see the difference between Standard and Pro. Now choose the plan that you want. Sign in with your email if required. Now tap Continue with Password at the bottom and then enter your Apple ID password and tap Sign in. On the next page, set your date of birth. Now tap Purchase at the bottom and active your subscription by entering your card information or Apple payment details. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.